Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Waze on CarPlay, quick tip step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your iPhone is connected to your CarPlay enabled vehicle. Unlock your iPhone and go to your car's display. Locate the CarPlay icon on your vehicle's dashboard. Once CarPlay is open, find and tap the Waze app icon. If Waze isn't visible, swipe through the apps to locate it. Once Waze is open, you'll see the map interface on your screen. To enter a destination, tap on the search bar at the top. You can either type your destination or select from recent locations. If you're using voice commands, simply tap the microphone icon and speak your destination. After entering your destination, tap Go to start navigation. Monitor the driving directions on the CarPlay display. Use voice prompts to guide you with turn-by-turn instructions. If you need to adjust your route, tap on the screen to see options. To mute or unmute navigation instructions, tap the speaker icon. You can also report traffic incidents or hazards by tapping the designated icon in Waze. To exit navigation, simply tap the X button on the route display. Waze will continue to run in the background until you manually close it. You are now ready to navigate using Waze on CarPlay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.